If you feel more comfortable doing it in Spanish, we definitely switch as you wish. Right side.
English is okay.
Right. Very good. Bit on the left. Just keep following this golden BMW. Shiny and flashy. Very flashy.
Can I go?
Yes, you go to the right lane here. Okay. Window down. Give a bit of space on the left. Okay. But you see the surface that is like diagonal, you have to slap the car.
Okay.
Here, brake. There. Okay. There you go. Now you understand why we have this this thing. Alright, Raquel, let's do this. Just brake it slightly, exactly. Follow the BMW. Okay. So, we keep it slow until we pass the cones. As soon as we pass the cones, we'll move to the right side until the Falcon sign that you will see, okay? As soon as we pass the cones, you can put all the thread that you feel like, but not before. Let's do this. Very good. Lovely. So after the Falcon sign, we stay on the right. Yeah, we keep it open here. The most important thing is also to watch your lane. So I prefer that you watch in front rather than you watch in the mirrors. Okay? Good. If no one comes, let's connect. You see? Straight line. Connect. Good. Now we point to the end of the barrier on the left. Let's brake. Harder. 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 Stay open and close. Close. Connect. Left side after connecting. Very good. We brake slightly. Close. And open with throttle. Let the car roll a bit. Very good. Right side. Keep going. And we brake now. Brake harder. Harder. Stay open. Open. Close. 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 Open with throttle. Very good. Right side. And we stay on the right side. Very good. We are going to open it. The number 2 is the turning point. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
We brake to stay on the right now. No, brake, remember. You need to focus on what is on the front before the button.
Okay.
Don't be so nice, that's what I mean.
Okay.
Stay on the right.
Okay.
And we brake on a straight line now. We brake, stay on the right line. Blinkers, so they can understand that you're letting them pass. Stay on the right. Very good. Gas. Connect, let's brake. Left side. Brake. Right side. Connect. Open with throttle. Stay on the right side and blinkers to the right now. Okay. Brake again. We let also the Volkswagen if you feel like. Stay close. Stay close. Now you stay open. Alright? Now you can put as much throttle as you feel like. Keep going. The right side. After the crest, you can keep going. Very good. Now, on the top of the hill, from the left, we're going to brake. On the top, not before.
Okay.
Brake slightly, just slightly. Release, close. And keep it. Keep it there. Gas. Gas, keep it. Release a bit the steering. Close again. Lovely. This is a fast section. We rather stay on the right because very fast cars are going to come.
Okay.
But you can put as much throttle as you feel like, Raquel. Okay? Little left-hander here. There you go. So, after that crest, on the right side, we're going to brake on a straight line and hard. Okay? So follow my hands.
Okay.
Just keep going. Keep going. Hard now. Hard. Very good. Release. Lovely. Release. Close with gas. Gas. Do not hesitate. Gas. Keep going. Keep going. And now hard braking now. Hard braking. Harder. There you go, lovely, release. That's hard braking, close. Wait for the throttle. Wait for the throttle. Open with throttle progressively. Very good, I like it. This is hard braking. Right side, point to the white number. And now point to the left. Connect. Point to the white board that you see with the number. Just keep it straight.
Okay.
Keep connecting. So we're going to brake before the compression, just a bit. Okay?
Okay.
Brake and gas. Gas. No hesitation. Gas. Gas. When we're up here, we hard brake. Now, hard. Release. Lovely. Release. Left side. Now right. Blinkers to the right. There you go. Stay on the right. Very good. Slow zone. We're already going slow. We connect and we brake a bit. A bit. Stay close. This gets close. Watch out. There you go. Stay close. Now connect and open with throttle. Lovely. Put the throttle that you feel like. And we keep going. Connect. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Very good. Right side. After the little left-hander that we're going to do, we brake, okay? So after this one. Brake. Brake, brake. And close. Close, open with throttle. Okay, we're going to brake on a straight line. Now, brake, brake, brake. Brake, 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 stay open. And now, close. Keep closing, connect. After connecting, left side. With a bit of throttle, you feel like. Left side. Very good, we're going to brake now. Brake, brake, brake. Open, brake, open, open, close. Close here, here, this is the apex. Attack it. There you go, open it. Lovely. Right side. The white number is the turning point, okay? Tap the brakes. Stop it, release, close. Connect. Left side after connecting. Left side after connecting. Brake slightly. Stay open. Stay open. Close. Progressive throttle and open progressively. Okay. Lovely. When we are on a straight line, we brake. We do it now. Brake. Very good. Keep braking. This is good. Release. Close. Connect. Point to the red barrier. Keep braking. Release, open, slightly, close, close, close. Very good, connect, this is lovely. Connect, gas. And open with throttle. There you go. So, after the crest, on the right side, we brake on a straight line. So keep going. Going. Brake. Yeah, brake, 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 brake. Brake. Close. Open with throttle. Open with throttle, there you go. Active gas. Stay on the right now. Stay on the right. Stay on the right. Bottom. There you go. Brake. Gas. Stay on the right. All the throttle you feel like. This is straight. Keep going. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Right. Going. Release. No more gas. Gas. Let's go. Left. Stay on the left now. Very good. And we brake. Keep braking. Brake, brake harder, harder, harder. Stay open. Open, open, open. Close. Close, close, close. Gas. Open. Very good. Point to the number 11 with the throttle you feel like. Keep pointing. And now you stay close until we pass the toilet. Okay? Keep going. There is a toilet, I'm not lying. There you go. And after the toilet, we move to the right. Not before. Not before.
Oh.
There you go. It's good. Stay on the right here. Stay on the right. Keep watching your lane. Very important. Very good. This is a fast section. Just put as much throttle as you feel like. Right. Go on the left.
Left.
Fast section. You can go as fast as you feel like. Release a bit. Just release a bit. Stay on the right. A bit of throttle you feel like. Very good. Right side. Straight to the right. Tap the brakes, just tap. Tap. Gas, close. Gas, close. Gas, close. Right side, open. Blinkers to the right. Blinkers to the right. Very good. Right. After the crest, brake and stay close. Brake, brake, stay close. Progressive throttle, stay close. There's another one. And now we move to the left after this one crosses. When the curve starts, brake. When it finishes, turn. Brake, 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 brake. Brake and close. Stay close. Stay close. Progressive throttle. Stay close. Open progressively. Very good. Point to the letters A and G. You see them? There you go. Keep going. And let's brake. brake harder, harder, all 4 tires inside. Welcome to carousel. Same speed, get the same speed. This is okay, this is okay. Gas, 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 connect. There you go, shaku. Put the throttle. Keep going, gas. So uphill on the right side, you tap the brakes and close, okay? Tap, close. Open with throttle. Stay on the right. When the curb starts, brake. When it finishes, turn. And close. Keep close, 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 connect. Open with throttle. Left side. Stay on the left. Brake it slightly. Open, close. Close, 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 close. No, brake, 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 brake. Okay, we mixed it here. You have to keep looking on front. Okay, the priority is the front, okay? Good. And stay on the right, let's brake. Right side. Okay, connect. Left side. Don't worry about the guy behind. He can wait a single corner. Let's brake. Now right, blinkers to the right. Blinkers to the right. And go for it. Let's brake. Right side. Stay on the right side. Lovely. And we brake now in straight line. Keep braking. Brake, brake, brake. And close. No gas, keep it. Keep it. But this is perfect. Good job. Keep it. You see, you finish exactly where we want. Here, brake, and now close. Open with throttle. Use the whole track here. There you go. Stay on the left. Let's brake. Open, open, close. Close, 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 close. Open now. Use the whole track. This is very good, Raquel. Right side. Right side. We brake. Brake, brake. Stay open. Brake, brake, brake. Close now. Keep closing. Connect. Gas. This is very good, Raquel. Right side. Stay on the right. Keep going. No more throttle. White number. We close now. We close. Connect. Jump. We brake before and after, not in the middle. Okay. That means now we brake. Release. Brake again. Now we close. Keep it. Gas. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Lovely. Keep going. This is very good. And we go straight now. Open it. Open it. Very good. We keep going. Stay on the right. Blinkers. And we close. Okay. After the curb finishes, constant throttle. No hesitation. Okay. Right. Constant throttle. Keep going. Straight. Left side. Left side important. Connect. And gas. Very good. Left side. We keep going. And let's brake now. Harder. Release. It's good. Brake a bit again. Close. Right side. Very good. Release a bit. And we close now. Keep close. Keep close. Open it. Good. When the curb on the right finishes, we turn. Okay. We're going to brake now. Brake, 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 brake. Close. Let's go. Close. Now gas. Open. Jumping. Very good. Left side. Okay, when we are uphill, you brake. When the curb finishes, you turn. Close. Gas. Open. You stay open until we pass that fence, okay? Brake it slightly. And we close. And progressive throttle. Progressive gas. Open. Gas. Open. Gas. Open. And this is a lap in the nurburgring Nordschleife. Let's brake, first of all. Let's brake. Let's go slower. Let's go slower. Let's go slower and behind the Audi. Okay. How are you feeling, Raquel?
Awesome.
Yeah?
That was fun.
It was intense, eh?
A little bit, yeah.
Hey. That's why I say that if it gets too intense, let's go slow down, you know? This is not child's play.